We all want to make money as fast as possible. So what if I told you there were dollar bills floating right in front of your face? My first love growing up was baseball, and I played all year round. I'm talking winter, spring, summer, fall, during school, after school, traveling to play, everything. I lived, slept, and ate baseball. When I was 13 years old, we started using these bats called big barrels. They were ingeniously called big barrels because the end barrel was larger than a normal bat. I wanted a big barrel because all of my friends on the team had one and I wanted my own. So I told my parents that I wanted a big barrel bat and I knew the exact one that I wanted. The bat I wanted was an Orange Connection Z-Core bat. It was 33 inches long, 30 ounces in weight, and it was nice. And it cost about $250. The majority of my teammates probably had their bats bought by their parents, but I was fortunate enough that when I asked my parents for the new bat, they told me, well, you better find a way to earn it. When you're 13 years old, you don't really have $250 just laying around, so I had to figure it out. And this was the norm for many things that I wanted. I had to earn them myself. So what did I do? I knew that I had my allowance payments and I knew that I could cut grass. And so I literally went door to door with our push mower and asked people if I could cut their yards at $20 a pop. So I knew 10 to 12 yards at $20 a pop, I could afford the bat. After only a month, I was able to make enough money to buy my Orange Easton Connection bat. As we get older, I think we just get too comfortable. We get caught in the rat race. We get caught in the keeping up with the Joneses, as they like to say, where we're not buying things that we only need. We're buying things based on how it makes us look in front of other people. I'd say just recently, people are finally starting to realize that we might need to downsize a little bit. We have more storage containers in this country than anywhere else in the world. It's kind of absurd when you think about it. So I feel my generation is really the ones that are kicking off this minimalistic ideology that people are starting to attach to, and I think it's a great thing. If you're looking to make money, then these two perspectives that I've discussed between making money and cutting back are two ways I think you can look at how to make quick money when it's sitting right in front of you. So the first thing you want to do if you're trying to make quick cash is to work for it. And when I say work for it, I'm meaning quick jobs. And in today's age with the apps and the internet, you can do these pretty quickly. The list of jobs you can do is endless. You can cut grass, pull weeds, do some landscaping, you can clean gutters, you can wash windows, clean someone's house, you could deliver food, you could deliver groceries, you can just deliver people. You can go to yard sales or flea markets and buy things, turn around and flip them for more on the internet. And the list goes on and on and on of all the ways you can make quick cash. I actually have a full list of 95 side hustles that you can start immediately with no to minimal cash. So I've put a link to that down in the description if you're interested in that list. Your other option, if you don't try to have a side hustle or some type of job, is you need to cut back and sell things. Yes, you'll make money, and the more important piece is that when you sell things, surprisingly, you'll become more organized and focused. Don't you want to have more focus in your life? Because I know I'm always trying to stay more focused. Last year, I intended on selling my home just outside of Charlotte because home prices are soaring still, and I have a ranch style home, so it's really hot on the market right now. I took the initiative to speak with a realtor and my broker, and so I started working out in the yard and selling some things out of my home. The things that I sold were my bed, some dressers, clothes, bookshelves, a TV stand, coolers, a stack of bricks actually, a sofa, my roommate's car at the time, a leaf blower, a weed eater, some workout stuff, a punching bag, an old stereo, my PS4, DVDs, decorations, a coffee maker, fryers, organizers, a rug, some vases and faked plants, pictures, a file cabinet, and a side table. Funny enough, the one thing that I have the most of that I did not sell were my books. I didn't sell one book. And the one thing I regret selling now that I decided not to sell my home was the leaf blower, because I had no idea how expensive they are if you want to go buy a new one. So now that I had less stuff, I was able to reorganize my house. My attic is completely cleared of junk. There's literally nothing in the attic right now. And my room has extra space because all my clothes fit in the closet. So I didn't need dressers. So I have more room. And the rest of my house is more simplistic and kind of just less clutter. So look around and ask yourself, what do I not need? Or what have I not used in the past year to where I can make some extra cash? And through all of the things that I sold, I was able to make $2,000, and this was in a very short period of time, and I don't miss any of it. And there are a ton of ways that you can sell the things you don't need. You've got eBay, Craigslist, LetGo, Amazon, and OfferUp. So you could even throw a yard sale if you wanted to. So you have all of these options on ways you can get rid of things in your house. So if you need money, get out there and work, find some side hustles and save up. Or you can sell some crap that you don't need. I hope this helps you make some quick cash. These are the two ways that I've used in the past. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.